Hurricane Melissa developed in the central Atlantic earlier this week and became the 13th named storm of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. The system was first identified as a tropical depression southeast of the Windward Islands before rapidly intensifying over very warm ocean waters. Within 48 hours, Melissa strengthened into a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds estimated near 140 miles per hour. At its peak, the center of Melissa passed north of Barbados and St. Lucia, producing sustained tropical storm force winds and heavy rainfall. Local meteorological agencies recorded between 4 and 8 inches of rain across parts of the Lesser Antilles. Flooding was reported in low-lying districts, and several short-term power interruptions occurred, but there were no confirmed widespread structural failures in those early phases. As the storm tracked west-northwest, the strongest impacts occurred near Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. Jamaica's meteorological service reported gusts exceeding 100 miles per hour along the northern coastline, along with rainfall totals surpassing 12 inches in some mountain areas. These conditions caused flash floods, isolated landslides, and temporary closures of major roads, including sections of the A1 highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. The Cayman Islands experienced hurricane-force gusts and moderate coastal flooding on the southern shoreline. Airports temporarily suspended operations until winds subsided. Communication networks remained mostly intact, but electricity outages affected several thousand customers for up to 24 hours. After leaving the Western Caribbean, Melissa began a gradual weakening trend while moving over slightly cooler waters south of Cuba. By Thursday, reconnaissance aircraft and satellite data showed a decrease in maximum winds to around 90 miles per hour, and the National Hurricane Center downgraded the storm to Category 1. As it turned north-northeast, outer rain bands reached parts of the southern Bahamas, bringing rainfall amounts between 2 and 5 inches and rough surf conditions. By late Friday, Melissa transitioned into a post-tropical cyclone over the open Atlantic. The remaining circulation is now moving northeast at roughly 20 miles per hour. No coastal warnings are currently in effect for the continental United States, although forecasters note that swells generated by the system could still cause hazardous rip currents along portions of the southeastern coastline through the weekend. Preliminary damage assessments from national agencies across the Caribbean indicate localized infrastructure losses, with most concentrated in Jamaica's northern parishes and portions of Grand Cayman. Restoration of power and road access is ongoing. Regional disaster response organizations continue to coordinate logistics and relief shipments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.